The Make Earth Green Again Mega Foundation through Mega Achievers Awards recognized and lauded the celebrities and dignitaries who through their efforts and initiatives have strived to make the earth a better place. Let's have a look at the awesome initiative and award night.
Education is of prime importance, as also mentioned by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. We are proud of you, dear sir. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Doctorate in Social Work. Namaste, sir. Honoris causa, Doctorate in Social Work. And Sir Kolhapur Madhu Naik, sir, तुमचा फार फार स्वागत आहे. आम्हाला फार फार आनंद वाटते, sir, तुम्हाला भेटून. Let's please put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Devendra Pandurang Kamleji. Honoris causa, philanthropist. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Doctorate in Education. May we please invite Mr. Machindra Raghunath Kumarji. Congratulations, Shankarlal Mantri ji, जो हमारे outstanding research on mental health और सबकी मदद करते हैं और सबको गाइडेंस देते हैं on how to be fit mentally. क्योंकि आजकल फिजिकल हेल्थ से ज़्यादा जो सभी को मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, उन्होंने बहुत सारा काम किया है, कार्य किया है in mental health, and he's been a great philanthropist. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please dance together for now. Dr. Kailash Chandralal Mantri ji. Heartfelt congratulations to you, dear sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting the Doctorate in Textiles and Food Industry. Congratulations to Dr. Tarun Maganbhai Landel ji. बहुत बधाई हो आपको. Honoris causa, business developer. Can you please congratulate Dr. Tarun Maganbhai Landel. Heartfelt congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting honoris causa outstanding research on mental health. Can you please give it up and put our hands together as we welcome Dr. Pramila Jawahar Sharma. Heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Pramila Jawahar Sharma. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको, ma'am. Congratulations to you, dear ma'am. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, may we all put our hands together for Dr. Pramila Jawahar Sharma. Honoris causa, outstanding research on mental health. And I'm going to take this wondrous opportunity. I'm so excited and thrilled. And yes, sir, this is the last one. But before that, we're going to acknowledge the presence of our beautiful girl, जो सबको जब मैंने देखा है कहना चाहता है I love you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to request each and every one of you to please put your hands together for the supremely talented and extremely gorgeous Bhagyashri. जैसे कि उनका नाम कहता है, भाग्य उनका है. And thank you, ma'am. Just going to invite you in the next super few minutes. I couldn't resist myself. You know, मेरे पैर हिल रहे थे. You know, my toes were tapping. Ladies and gentlemen, and this is honoris causa Doctorate in Business Administration and Social Activist, which goes to Dr. Mohan Kundandas Soni from USA. And this is ma'am, please. I just want to thank you. loving and making every soul happy. And this is what we need, especially at this point of time, what we're experiencing since the past 1.5 years. Loudest round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the one and only Chunky Party!
I'd like the dignitaries to please sit up.
We just have 5 minutes before we invite you back on stage. Sorry for a lot of catwalk and a lot of work happening here.
Once the Corona warrior awards are over, we'll start with the maker.
That's only 3 minutes, ma'am. Only 3 minutes.
Person to actually honor Anand.
Basically, Sudhir Kudalkar sir, आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत है. Such an honor. I'm going to request Kalpesh Mehta ji and ACP Sudhir Kudalkar sir to kindly join all our dignitaries on stage. Present this very special award. Anand Mahadevan sir.
I'd like all our dignitaries to come down now. Only please, Kudalkar ji, please रुकिए.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to invite a frontline police officer, multiple award-winning personality who's known for his stellar performances in Maine Pyar Kiya amongst the other films and shows. She's also a philanthropist and an active social worker. Apart from acting, the charismatic star is a foodie and an ardent advocate of fitness. She's an amazing, motivating netizens across the social media to follow the right diet and stay fit. Make Earth Green Again Mega Foundation, which belongs to Anusha, a lovely lady, recognizes, applauds our lovely leading lady in every way. May we please stand together for the very vivacious and magnificent Bhagyashri for being a healing earth icon. More power to you, dear man. And I'm going to request for some good fitness tips because हम सब आपकी तरह रहना चाहते हैं. Beautiful outfit. पवन जी तो अपने को होश ही उड़ गए. पवन जी दिल फिसल गया आपका लगता है. Sanitizing. Anusha, sanitize mics now.
Sport is for giving back to Earth. I think all of us right now really realize more than ever how much health really matters. And looking at all that's happening around us, earthquakes, the forest fires, the landslides, the floods, I think Earth is not very happy with what we are doing. We're just hoarding things within ourselves, spoiling our health, spoiling what Earth has always given us. And I think it's about time that we realize that we are all going to give back. And I would say it starts from everyone's home. हर कोई अगर ये कहे कि दूसरा कोई फ्रंटलाइन में जाए और काम करे उससे काम नहीं होगा. आपके घर से शुरुआत होती है, आपके दिल से शुरुआत होती है. और बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हर एक इंसान ये चाहे और करे कि हम ऐसी ज़िंदगी जिए ताकि हम हमारे बच्चों के लिए भी अच्छी दुनिया छोड़ जाए. So giving back to Earth is so important. I'm really happy
Sorry, I'm going to please request if you don't mind that you be here with us for 2 minutes to present. Next the awards and I'm going to have a photo with you. मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आएगी.
Thank you so much.
Sugandha Maticha, which promotes Marathi literature, language and culture. Working woman, a second mother of one daughter and 4 cats. She's a person who doesn't stop until she achieves what she puts her mind into. Ladies and gentlemen, Make Earth Green Again Mega Foundation recognizes and applauds our lovely lady Hemangi Joshi for her contribution towards making our Earth green again. May we please put our hands together for our lovely lady Hemangi Joshi. सुगंध मातीच्या. मॅम तुम्ही फार चांगले दिसतात ब्लू साडीमध्ये. खरंच ब्युटिफुल. थँक यू मॅम अँड बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको मैम. हार्टफelt congratulations to our lovely lady Hemangi Joshi. Can we please invite Niti Joshi as well? Oh, Shikha, thank you. So adorable. Can we please invite Miss Niharika to be here with us, please, along with Miss Bhagyashri, and we'd like to present the award. Thank you, ma'am. I'm going to request you to kindly be here with us with Bhagyashri, ma'am, to present the award. Do you lovely, and I don't think anyone can have better dimples than you, Niharika. Thank you for being here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, जहाँ से सबकी शुरुआत होती है और हमेशा कंटिन्यू होती है, खत्म कभी नहीं होती, मेरी प्लेस इन माय lovely lady, director, producer, content creator, Lakshmi R. Iyer is the CEO and founder of Street Simon Production, a passionate filmmaker. She has proved that she's made of retail with a little array of critically acclaimed short films, including her directorial debut with a mind-blowing Appa, starring Amit Bell, Abed, and interestingly, Lakshmi ji herself. Kya baat hai? This was followed by Wrong Mistake, starring our forever legend, who's always in our hearts, Shashank Singh and Achint Kaur. Achint Kaur. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, also seasoned with love, starring Sudhanshu Pandey, Flora Seni, and Richa Soni. With contagious energy as a part of her persona, she's an inspiration to many. Her upcoming film, For a Second Chance, starring Anand Mahadevan. Sir, आप भी आ जाइए please. Sets में तो साथ में रहते हैं, यहाँ पे भी रहिए. We're going to present the award to Lakshmi R. Iyer ji. I feels great, director, अपनी director और producer को award देना. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe please also invite Anand Mahadevan ji here on stage once again. And she's also waiting for the new film with Anand Mahadevan ji, Renuka Shane ji, Devalina Bhattacharya ji, and Sahil Opal ji to be filmed shortly. Make Green Earth Again Mega Foundation recognizes and applauds Lakshmi R. Iyer for being an icon of women empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, may I please remind you all to please put your hands together for our woman empowerment icon, Lakshmi R. Iyer. I'm going to request all our deputies for a few words, please. Can you please invite Sonia Sharma ji here on stage? I don't know which mic is sanitized. And Kalpesh Mehta ji, please. Abhi aa jaiye. Thank you. I'm so sorry, but you want to sanitize the mic? You want everyone to speak for you.
Good evening, everyone, and it's a great honor to be in this very august gathering here. All of your doctors, and it gives me a very insecure feeling, but it's always good to be amongst the aware, amongst the educated. So thank you very much for having me here, Nisha. Like Bhagyashree very correctly put it, in this whole race towards development, we are forgetting biodiversity, and the earth is revolting in a very rude fashion, a very bad fashion over the last 2 years. We're living in a very dystopian age these days, and whether, like Bhagyashree very correctly put it, whether it's wildfires or floods or landslides or animals, coming into areas which have been encroached by man, we are facing a crisis like never before, and I feel that Mother Earth is not a cliche at all. If our mothers give us birth, the earth gives us life. So we need to respect it and we need to regard it. Otherwise, we may be wiped out from the face of the earth. Remember, the earth was here before us, so it belongs to Mother Earth and not to us. So thank you very much for this honor and this award. It will help us to remember that at every step of life, we have to make sure that the environment is far, far superior and nature is far, far superior to all of us. Thank you so much. I hope this message goes out to everyone concerned all over the world. Thank you.
It's very important to listen to a big person to be here with us. Listen, please. Invite Bruna Vilana, please, can we have you on stage? Lina ma'am, I know you've been
Extremely sorry for one minute. One message I got from other advertising के Mr. Vinod जी पांडे. हमारी फाउंडेशन जो बैंक की है उसके तरफ से पिछले कई महीनों से महाराष्ट्र पुलिस के जवानों के लिए रेन कोट दिए जा रहे हैं. बहुत बड़ा हम्बल काम कर रही है मैम.
Say a few words. दिल पे जख्म भी वही देते हैं, उनके चेहरे देते हैं और ट्रीटमेंट भी वही करते हैं. हाय हाय क्या बात है. Such a lovely presence of Niharika ji.
Good evening, everybody. Thank
honor to, share the stage with green warriors. We speak about COVID warriors, we speak about healthcare, but you don't understand that there will be no healthcare if there is no earth. And that is very important. So I am so privileged to be standing here with people who have contributed and done so much for our planet. If you speak to scientists and scholars, they will all tell you that we are a little late in trying to undo what we have already done. The damage has already been done, but if we start today, we don't know where we may be tomorrow. So it is, I think, very important for all of us to contribute whatever we can to saving the planet that we live on, because this is the one we know we have. We don't know if we have another planet. Thank you so much, and all the best to all the people who are working.
So much. Thank you. Thank you for all the memories and requests in the last 2 minutes to come to the podcast. It gives us great honor. We have a very special message by our lady Sonakshi Sinha, which will be played right after this. But before that,
First of all, what Anusha is doing is a wonderful job, wonderful for her foundation. Giving back to earth is so important. So Mega Foundation and Anusha, thank you so much for this lovely award that I've got. I think हर किसी इंसान को वही करना चाहिए जो घर से शुरुआत करे चैरिटी की। और चैरिटी का मतलब ये है कि भाई हम जैसे पैसे की चैरिटी करते हैं उस हिसाब से नहीं, लेकिन दिल से, प्रेम से, प्यार से इस पूरी दुनिया को हम सींचे, बढ़ा के, और we give back to Mother Earth what Mother Earth has been giving back to us. So we help nature, we help it grow, we help sustain it. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हर एक वॉरियर जो सामने काम कर रहा है उसे एक प्रोत्साहन मिले, that they continue doing good work. Well, I do holistic healing. So इसका मतलब ये है कि जो आपके किचन में चीज़ें हैं उससे आप अपनी तबीयत सुधार सकते हैं। आपको किसी अतिरिक्त चीज़ की जैसे मेडिसिन वगैरह की ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आप अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी कैन ऑल टेक केयर ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स विद minimalistic things, what are there in our kitchen, what is there in our surroundings, what we have within ourselves. So, well, that's what they've given me this for. No, I think it's something that everyone should learn to do in their own houses, taking care of each other, taking care of yourself. What's sustainability is you try and make your life with things around you, around the ecosystem, and help the ecosystem grow. अगर हम artificial products use करते हैं, अगर हम हमारे नेचर या सराउंडिंग्स को छोड़ के कहीं और जाके वहाँ से चीज़ें लेके आते हैं, so many times we are spoiling the ecological balance. So अगर अपने देश की चीज़ें अपन यूज़ करें, we have what is there within us, and we heal ourselves, we heal Mother Earth. So yes, thank you. That's it now.
Thank you. He wants to do a picture with you. He, the doctor people, he is the organizer. The organizer's son, basically. ये खत्म करूँ मैं, उसके बाद करते हैं.
I'm happy there's an event happening.
good starter, new starter.
Yes.
पूरे इनिशिएटिव्स को लेके देखा है यहाँ नो अपार्टमेंट की एक सही शुरुआत हो रही है, लोगों को सम्मानित करना चाह रहे हैं उस काम के लिए वो डिजर्व करते हैं
बिल्कुल
और बहुत अहम और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल अदा करते हैं, चाहे वो मेगा फाउंडेशन हो या बाकी जो दिग्गज आए हैं उनके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जो डिज़र्विंग है उनको तो हमेशा हमें अवार्ड देने ही चाहिए, और सबसे ज़्यादा आज की तारीख में प्लैनेट को बचाना, प्लैनेट की सेवा करना हमारा धर्म है और हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस वक्त। मतलब आपको सुनने में आएगा फ्लड्स हो रहे हैं, लैंडस्लाइड्स हो रहे हैं, ड्राउट्स हो रहे हैं, साइक्लोन्स आ रहे हैं। मेरी ज़िंदगी में इतना कभी डेंजर नहीं देखा है। कभी कभार तो मुझे लगता है कि कल होगा कि ना होगा, क्योंकि एक पॉइंट पे मैं भी डर गई, स्पेशली जब साइक्लोन आया था मुंबई में। मैंने मेरी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा साइक्लोन नहीं देखा इन माई whatever years that I have seen. So it is a very important thing now that people need to take an initiative to save the environment. And like I said on stage as well, we already are too late, and we need to be very quick with all our renewable energy sources, all our technologies. We need to get a lot of business people involved so that the money is invested in the right place, because this is the environment we live in and we have to save it.
Mega Foundation is rewarding people, as you know said very rightly right now, it's very important to save the environment.
तो मेघा फाउंडेशन इज़ डूइंग एग्जैक्टली दैट। वो बिल्कुल मतलब सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उन लोगों को जो अपने अपने हिस्से में, अपने अपने डिपार्टमेंट्स में या रीजन्स में जितना भी कर सकते हैं वो कर रहे हैं। जैसे रेनी सीज़न में वो जो रेन कोट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, या फिर प्लांट ट्री कर रहे हैं, एक ट्री प्लांट कर रहे हैं हर जगह पे। तो ये जो अलग अलग मूवमेंट्स हैं, मेगा फाउंडेशन इनको सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो ऐसे सपोर्टिंग फाउंडेशंस और आगे आएँ, क्योंकि हमें इनकी बहुत ज़रूरी है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम एंड एज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
नीरज चोपड़ा गोल्ड लेके आए हैं देश के लिए।
आई एम सो हैप्पी। मतलब आई थिंक आज हमारे लिए नहीं, कल उन्होंने जीता था 7 अगस्त, एंड बिग कंग्रेचुलेशन टू द चोपड़ा फैमिली। आई थिंक उनके लिए बहुत गर्व की बात होगी, स्पेशली उनके फादर जो एक किसान है, उनके लिए तो बहुत गर्व की बात होगी। जब भी हमारा झंडा लहराता है तो आई थिंक इट्स द मोस्ट प्रिविलेज थिंग दैट एनी इंडियन फील्स। मतलब मेरे आंखों में आंसू आए थे जब मैंने वो देखा था, जब जन गण मन पूरे स्टेडियम में प्ले हुआ था। तो आई थिंक सबके आंखों में आंसू आया। अभी लेट्स सी, आई थिंक शायद मतलब सुनने में तो आ रहा है। देखो, बेल बॉटम 19 अगस्त को रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो अक्षय कुमार की पिक्चर है। अब सूर्यवंशी भी अक्षय कुमार की पिक्चर है, तो अब एक आ रही है तो दूसरी आ ही जाएगी। आई थिंक सो। बस महाराष्ट्र कहीं भी खुल जाए, महाराष्ट्र भी खुल जाए, दिल्ली तो खुल ही गया है 50% ऑक्यूपेंसी में, महाराष्ट्र भी खुल जाए तो हमारी ओपनिंग लग जाएगी। थैंक यू।
यस सर, एक सेकंड में से नहीं, वरना उनको नींद नहीं आएगी आज।